Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Eurow YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Today we are bringing you the very first episode of our new series, Bang for Your Buck, where we test out popular products to see if they're worth your hard-earned cash. In this episode, we're diving into something that car enthusiasts and detailers swear by, microfiber yellow towels. And you may not think about it too much, but trust me, choosing the right towel can make a huge difference in your detailing game. So let's compare our 3 highly rated microfiber yellow towels in this episode of Bang for Your Buck and see how it goes. All right. Here's what we're working with. First, we have the Detailer's Preference 16x16 350 GSM Premium Yellow Microfiber Cleaning Towels, which come in a 36 pack. Next, we have the Detailer's Preference 16x16 Ultrasonic Cut Premium Microfiber Cleaning Towels, which come in a 12 pack. And finally, we have the Eurow 12x16 inch 300 GSM Microfiber Yellow Cleaning Towels, which come in a 36 pack. All of these towels are great options, but what sets them apart? Well, each towel has unique qualities when it comes to texture, absorbency, size, and trim. So let's break them down one by one. First up, we have the Detailer's Preference 350 GSM Microfiber Cleaning Towels, which come with 36 towels in a single pack. And if you're looking for quantity without sacrificing quality, then these are a solid choice. Each towel is 16 by 16 inches, which is pretty standard for automotive detailing. At 350 GSM, which means grams per square meter, it's thick enough to handle some serious cleaning action, but soft enough to safely wipe down your paintwork without leaving scratches. So let's see how it does. Look at that glide. You can really feel the towel grabbing the dirt and dust without feeling like it's dragging across the surface. That absorbency is on point. It picks up water and grime in one swipe, and there's no streaking left behind. That's a win for me. Next up, we have the Detailer's Preference Ultrasonic Cut Microfiber Towels. These have a special feature being that the edges of the towels are laser cut instead of stitch, giving it a smoother finish and reducing the risk of fraying. This means that they can be kept fresh and last a little longer, so let's see how they perform. Alright, right off the bat, the edges feel super smooth. It's almost like the towel is gliding even more easily across the surface. As for absorbency, it feels just as good as the other one, but I can definitely see how the ultrasonic cut makes the towel feel a bit more premium. No fraying, and it still grabs the dirt with little effort. This could be a great option for folks who want their towels to stay in top shape for longer. Finally, we have the Eurow microfiber towels. These are a little bit smaller, being that they are 12 inches by 16 inches and have a slightly lower GSM of 300. Yet they're made with high quality microfiber and are extremely versatile. So let's test these bad boys out. As you can see, they feel light, almost like a quick detailer towel. They're a little thinner, but they still work great for dusting off surfaces or doing a light touch-up. The smaller size is perfect for wiping down your interior or touching up the door jambs. Plus, the 36 pack is a killer deal for anyone on a budget. Alright, time to wrap it all up and do a quick summary and compare everything. First, we looked at the Detailer's Preference 16x16 350 GSM Microfiber Cleaning Towels. These towels are amazing. They have good all-around performance, have a solid pack size, and have great absorbency. So if you're looking for quality and quantity, then these are the pick for you. We then looked at the Detailer's Preference 16x16 350 GSM Ultrasonic Cut Microfiber Towels. They have more of a premium feel, smoother edges, and a little bit more durability. If you're looking for longevity and a scratch-free experience, these are for you. And finally, we looked at the Eurow 12x16 inch 300 GSM microfiber towels. These are a little bit smaller, but incredibly versatile for interior and light detailing. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, these are the ones for you. And that's the end of this video. If you want to stock up and invest in high-quality microfiber towels, we hope you enjoyed this first episode of Bang for Your Buck. If you are interested in the towels, check the description below. It's going to have the links to our Amazon store and website. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. This has been Bang for Your Buck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.